Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery. Welcome to part 2, and this is how I keep my skins on my dog food bags that I peel off my Lolafi silicone mat. And this is what I peeled up earlier. I love the hard orchid in here now. Even if you have nasty paint and you wipe your tools off, you can always put nice paint over it, and then you've got thicker, more usable skins. So I'm thinking I'm just going to use some Floetrol, and I walked away from this. I don't know how well stuck down they are, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trees, and I think I ought to start in the center. And I'm inclined to just take the Floetrol that I've got, and if I can put the Floetrol down, and I can also add pieces later too if it's not enough. I want to make sure there aren't any huge lumps, but it doesn't really matter. I want to make sure, oh, the backside's prettier than the front. Okay then. I'm going to try all kinds of different ways, and I think the first way I'm going to try is to use an acetate card. I think I'm better off dipping it in, to be honest with you. But right now I'm gonna, do I really want that? I don't mind that side, but I like the shiny side better. It looks like I'm gonna have to put something down here to distract from that one long space. Maybe I'll just steal another tree. And I'm just gonna keep putting Floetrol down. Because things stick pretty well. This is obviously part 2. And this has been down here for quite a long time. Oops, I displaced a tree. Okay then. I think that's going to go right there. I have all kinds of little tools to do this with. And Floetrol dries clear. Do I really want that way? Oh, I really want that way. Good to poke them down. So that's 2 down, and I'll clean up my extra. And put that one right on the Floetrol. The Floetrol right on the... There's a dog hair in there. No, it's a people hair. Come here, people hair. I'm going to put my Floetrol in my dish. Spread some out over on the edge so it's thinner. Looks like I got a lot on the surface, and it's not shiny. It doesn't dry shiny. It dries dull. So I definitely don't want that. I'm going to put this little tree down here first. But I don't think it'll show up in the background. It's pretty clear. So after I put down as many pieces of treetops and skins, I will eventually grab a small container and put something I'm going to put my trunks into. Is that on there? Yes, that is on there. So this one looks really delicate, and hopefully it will come off and go back on again. Yeah, I shouldn't have left for hours, but I got busy. Oh, I like the other side of that one too. Let's see, which side do I like better? I think I like the side I had already. Yeah, it's kind of a lot of Floetrol to begin with. If anybody figures out a better way to apply it to the lacy skins, let me know, because I'm interested in trying everything until I figure something out. So I'm figuring those will be trees in the background, and I did have that sheet of skins. And I'm going to pull a little something off here so I can see if I need something. And I'm just going to take this little piece here. I'm going to look at both sides too. I'm going to take that little piece and separate it from its other little piece. I have a lot of Floetrol there and I can just stick another piece on it, I'm going to do that too. I think I'm very tempted maybe right there. That would have been a good tree all by itself. Huh, interesting. What to do now? And I gotta make sure I find the ones that have not had any Floetrol added to them. And a lot of times you can have bumps, at least I have bumps from drips. And it'll be okay, I think. When it's dry, you can pull the extra off, but mostly they just stay. They stay textured, which I actually really like a lot. Probably pull that extra dog hair off of there too. So I think I'm going to move this tree over here. That's stuck down. That's a dog hair. Oops, what was that? That looks like another tree. Okay. It's also got a dog hair attached to it. That's my dog sneaks into my studio. I have a Soji screen to keep the door shut. And I can hear a noise once in a while and I do catch him. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this needs to be 11. So I can have an odd number. So now I'm thinking, in order to do my trunks, I can do whatever it takes right off the bat. As far as, I'm going to put my Floetrol back in my container. And I think I'm going to use my larger container. I'm going to start with a little bit of gold. That way, I'm going to start with whatever's open. No, I'm going to start with a little bit of gold if I can get it to come out of the bottle. Should have checked that. I wasn't actually thinking. So let's take the smallest tool first. I want a shorter piece of card for that, I believe. I really don't want much paint. So I'm just going to dip the smallest. And this is just meant to give the impression of a trunk. I did this with 4 trees in a grove a long time ago, much larger ones, and it looked great. So I'm fairly confident that I'm going to like how the gold looks. I can always add more. I am going to go ahead You can use any size tool you want. I like the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas to a point. This is a really flexible blade. These tools are hair coloring tools, I think. There, I'm liking the gold a lot. I'm wondering if I should show you. I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing until there's nothing left to do. This is like, I imagine a silicone brush would be, but there's no bristles. That was a little too wide. I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to grab a skewer is what I'm going to do. And use the gold I've already got. This is my favorite one so far. The exception of that folded up piece of paint that needs to be stuck down. I once stuck a piece of paint down to see what it would look like without any Floetrol, and it's there forever. It won't come off. It is what it is. I think if I put a little ball at the bottom, hopefully it won't be too much. I think that needs to be a taller tree, or a twisted tree, not to be confused with a twisted T. So those are kind of cute. They are what they are. They remind me of the park. Well, I did another painting that I think I called something about the park. And I can always put a darker line tomorrow along one side of the gold, and it will give it the impression of dimension. So I'm going to go ahead and use my much bigger spatula. Yes, I saw I did that. Fortunately, the painting is dry and I don't need to worry too much about it. I don't mind if they're a little stylized, a little weird looking is fine by me. And I can always touch up if I run out of time. The gold makes it easy because it's, you know, in the brown family already. I'm liking the shapes I'm getting just using my spatula. I guess I shouldn't be surprised, but I like the twisted trees. And I will definitely, like I said, play with... Oh, there's another one folded up. It needs to come down. I will play after you are gone. One more. Need a little more gold. I need that little tiny card. I need more paint on that little tiny card. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. Okay, so I'm not sure what else I'll do, but whatever it is, it's not going to be any more interesting than what I just did. So I'm probably going to let you go. But in the meantime, I'll tell you I have over 1,800 videos, and if you're looking for them, you might want to look on my YouTube channel, on all playlists and creative playlists. My below the video is Teespring clothing that has my designs on it. And if you shop there, it helps me out. If you shop my Amazon link that's on the link tree, you help me out. I love that the Floetrol is clear, so I really can't mess it up. And I will press it down again. Probably I'll check on it in an hour because it won't dry that quickly. And if I wanted to, I could thin out my branches tomorrow, or I could just do this now. Yeah, I'm working upside down. Okay, probably never a good idea. I don't know what else I need, if anything. I don't think much of anything. It is what it is, and I don't even need to finish right now if I don't want to. I could probably diddle around with those trees for quite a while. I should not be working upside down though. I need to stop now. So what else can I tell you guys? Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate it. If you would like to be entered in the monthly drawing, you can see what the prizes are on the end screen video, which is an exhibition video I change out every month. And all that's required is that you find the PayPal or Patreon icons and use them. They are on my they are on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel. And also on the link tree, which is the place you can find the Amazon link. I'm going to go back to looking at this right side up. Well, I like the gnarly roots that don't look uniform. That's pretty cool. I really do like that. Any place that needs a little something something is going to get a little something something. And I could probably go in with a tiny little brush if I wanted to and separates out some of those gold branches if I wanted to. So, thank you. I said thank you. And I told you about the Amazon link. I have over 1,800 videos on 18 lists of 100, and the rest are separated into genres. I have Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. If you go to the albums, you will see what's in there that I've edited from the YouTube videos. If you're interested in any artwork, use the hashtag in the title. And my email address is below the link tree. You might have to click show more underneath the video. Also on Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a shop now button that'll take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, where I have over 1,400 items that turn into like literally 1,000. So you can find that link on the link tree and also on the Facebook group. Also in the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and please like my videos, please share my videos, please watch them longer. It's a big help to me, and thank you so much for keeping my morale boosted with your wonderful comments and your love. I appreciate it very much. I love you guys dearly. There's over 91,000 of you. I hope you weren't bored to tears with that, but had to be done, and now it is. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio saying, I will see you anon. Priscilla out.